All right, we are back now with Dr. Darien, who is sitting in for Dr. Jen today, and there's a new medication to treat mothers with postpartum depression. What do we need to know?
Zuranolone is what it's called. I had to double check it because these names are always quite confusing. So there's a new medication to help treat postpartum depression that is in the phase 3 of clinical trials. They've studied over 200 women who are suffering from postpartum depression, and they use this thing called a psychological gauge, where they basically understand what the severity of depression is. And they found that patients who use this medication had significantly improved scores on those psychological questionnaires. And so it's hope for the future, especially given that 1 in 7 women suffer from this. But the more disturbing statistic is that almost half go undiagnosed. So aside from this, we need to continue with education and awareness to make sure that people understand that this diagnosis exists.
For so many women, when they have a baby, that time is a lot. Let's just be honest about it, right? So how do we make sure that these women aren't going undiagnosed?
You know, I think number one, educating physicians and providers. I think we have to be the first to be able to ask the right questions, especially given the amount of stigma. Many people don't want to feel damaged. They don't want to feel less than. They don't want to feel like a bad mother. But this is a diagnosis, and the more that we educate patients about the reality of it, then I think the more that they will be accepting of the possible treatment and other management interventions.
Any side effects to worry about?
You know, we have not yet seen in this study, but something that they'll have to study beyond that is whether or not it's safe with breastfeeding, because that was not evaluated in this, and obviously that's incredibly important for mothers.
Very important.
And for babies.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Dr. Darien, thank you very much. We appreciate it.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.